What is it, Mallory?
What is it?
Let me see it.
It's a chocolate Kinder.
Who do you think dropped it? Who do you think came from?
Jesus.
You think Jesus dropped it?
Sarah's gonna open it. Poppy? Hi.
I thought we couldn't get those here.
I guess we couldn't, but it came. Thanks. Can we still eat the chocolate?
Yeah, you can eat the chocolate.
Oh my gosh, this is good.
Here, want me to hold the chocolate?
It's good.
Hang on, Grady.
Look at that.
Hang on, this one's Mallory.
Eat.
Whoa, whoa.
What is that?
Frog. I guess Santa dropped it.
No way. You
Yes.
think?